Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking physical connections and power to eliminate simple issues. Confirm the speaker is plugged into a working outlet and switched on. Inspect cables for damage and ensure the 3.5 or USB jack fits fully. Try a different cable and a different port to rule out connector failure. Test the speaker on another device to see if the problem is device-specific. If using Bluetooth, confirm pairing and the device shows as connected. Check the system volume and individual app volumes to ensure they are not muted. Open the sound settings and verify the correct playback device is selected. On Windows, set the speaker as default and test using the built-in sound troubleshooter. Update or reinstall audio drivers from the device manager or the manufacturer website. Set the sample rate and bit depth to common values like 44,100 Hz and 16-bit. Restart the computer. Test audio with multiple apps and a known good file to isolate application issues. Check playback format compatibility. Convert files if they use uncommon codecs. Update speaker firmware and reset the speaker to factory settings if available. Inspect the PC's sound card and consider testing with a USB sound adapter. If hardware fails, repair or replace the speaker. Note warranty periods and receipts. Contact manufacturer support with model number, purchase date, and troubleshooting steps recorded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.